Welcome back to episode 7 of Ambition Strikes. In this episode, we finish our solar panel install and explore Crested Butte, Colorado. I'm Courtney, and that's my husband, Riley. Driven by a desire to learn new skills and challenge ourselves, we spent 3 months building our version of the ultimate expedition vehicle. With the build coming to an end, it's time to hit the road and spend every second we can skiing, mountain biking, and sharing our passion for building things. So buckle up and follow along, because this is Ambition Strikes. This is how our dogs feel about whipped cream.
How do they know how to feel about whipped cream?
Because I give it to them. It's the only human food they're allowed to have.
We're in Gunnison, Colorado. This morning the truck barely started. I knew these batteries were kind of on their way out and not messing around anymore, so I just picked up 2 brand new AGM batteries and we're gonna get these things swapped out. Bought them at O'Reilly's. Kind of a cool thing when you buy batteries at a national chain. That means anywhere in the country you're at, they're pretty easy to replace should you need to warranty them. Something that's worth noting is that whenever you take the batteries out of something that's got 2 batteries, always disconnect both negatives before you start pulling the first battery out. That way when you lay the positive down, you don't accidentally arc it against something conductive. All right, time to see how we did. Oh, everything lit up. Oh my gosh, that cranks way faster than I've ever heard this truck crank. I think batteries were overdue. So glad we got that done. Pretty cool surprise here. My parents have been working on flying out to meet us so they can get some days skiing in, and I'm here at the airport picking them up. My dad's a private pilot, so they flew straight into the Gunnison Regional Airport here, and I can see his plane parked right there. Then I just found a map in his jacket pocket for Jackson Hole, 1999 to 2000 season. I think he's owned that jacket a long time. First day on the slopes at Crested Butte. I got my parents with me today. Courtney's got an ankle injury, so she's staying back and resting it, hoping she can ski it more this season. But it's a beautiful blue day out here, and we're gonna have a great time.
Yeah!
Well, T-bar is certainly a first for me. This is pretty cool. We're headed all the way to the tippity top just to see what the view's like up there. Mom, what did we get ourselves into? Oh, it's beautiful up here, but oh my God, it's steep. Dad's up there. Had to pop his skis off to get turned around.
Hey, Riley, thanks for catching me on that tumble down the hill.
If I had been there, he'd be at the bottom. Oh gosh. All right, here we go. You good?
Do something new every day.
We made it down, but every day is a new adventure around these parts.
All right, come on, we do that kind of stuff all the time.
Came from up there. That was fun though. I don't think we'll do it again.
Hey, Riley, want a snow shake?
Sure. This is a Casey family tradition.
I think there's some fresh snow out here. I don't think your dogs have peed on it or anything.
We are on an adventure to go find some fat tire bikes. We're in Crested Butte and there's a bunch of groomed trails around here they recommend that we ride on, so we're gonna give it a shot. Well, we made it to the slush and decided that was far enough. I think 3 of us went down, so turning around and headed back to town. Cody, what are you doing?
I'm walking to dinner and I'm getting my blood flow up so I'm warm because it is cold out there. I would do jumping jacks if my ankle wasn't injured.
Gonna take advantage of this beautiful sunny day and get our solar panels finished up. I bought this 10-AUG wiring kit on Amazon. Super convenient. It comes with the weatherproof connectors already installed. Modifying the truck on the road means oftentimes making do with what we can find. I'm using this outdoor electrical box to make our penetration through the roof and a watertight seal for the cable, combined with this watertight compression connector. And we'll make sure to put a healthy amount of silicone on all this to keep it nice and watertight. It's got these little standoff feet. But I don't want it standing that far off, so I'm gonna grind these feet down a little bit. Another advantage to using this outdoor electrical box up here for our roof penetration is that if we decide to add more panels in the future, it'll mean we can junction the wires together easily right here, so we won't have to make another roof penetration. We're done on the top side. Box, wires are connected, panels are installed. Time to go hook them up to our DC-DC charger. This is the feed from our alternator to our 50 amp DC-DC charger. I use this Bussmann circuit breaker here for 2 reasons. 1, circuit protection, and also because it allows really easy disconnect of the truck's alternator batteries from the house batteries. So, oh yeah, see, the little yellow flag sticks out. That means that now we are disconnected. Just being careful and making sure that everything is disconnected before we start hooking up new wires to our system. Another cool feature, if you have the Renogy Smart Lithium batteries and the display screen associated with them, is that we can actually remotely turn the batteries off. You'll notice the lights are on. If I press and hold this button, the screen goes dim, lights are off, and the batteries are disconnected from our system without having to disconnect the actual cables on the top. This is the Renogy 50 amp DC-DC charger. This combines a DC-DC charger from your alternator truck battery coming in here, so charges while we drive. This guy here is our solar panel input and charges with the sun. This is the charge wire going to our batteries and the negative terminal. It's also got a built-in temperature sensor so that it won't try to charge the lithium batteries while they're frozen. It's got multiple charge profiles, whether you're running AGM, lead acid, or lithium. Super easy to set up, and then bonus, it also isolates your house batteries from your starting batteries so that you don't kill the truck with your electrical draws. So if you're getting ready to start your system, I'd highly recommend that you look into these chargers. There's a 30 amp version and a 50 amp version. Just got the solar panels hooked up. We are currently charging at 14.6 amps at 13.4 volts. So some quick math is about 180 amps. That's pretty darn good. We've got 300 amps of panels up top, but the sun is not directly overhead right now. So I'm pretty happy with these results.
If you're enjoying this series, we would really appreciate if you could hit the like button and drop a comment below. So we are in the Lowe's parking lot. What's new? Hey, Riley. We just hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube.
That's awesome.
Thank you guys so much. 20,000 subscribers, that's insane.
Thank you for watching and supporting our channel, and I hope we get to keep making videos for you because this has been fun.
We are definitely already thinking about the next big project, and we're not going to tell you what it is yet because we don't even really know, but it's going to be fun.